Hi everyone, you are all welcome to join the ICT Teacher YouTube channel. The first part about the tags used in the HTML language is presented in another video. Let's find out a few more tags that are used in the HTML using this video. Table. Tables are used to organize the data on the web page in rows and columns. Using the table tag, we can create table in HTML. There are some tags which can be used in a table. Let's see what are they. tr tag. We can use tr tag to add a row to our table. td tag. It is used to insert the data into a column. th. Table heading tag. We can use th head to add a heading for table column. Caption. It is useful tag because it used to add a title to the table. Let's see what are the attributes of the table tag. There are some attributes which we can use within the table tag. Let's see what they are. Border. It is used to set a border for all cells in the table or entire table. Call span. This is used to determine the number of columns used for one data. Row span. Row span used to determine the number of rows used for one data or TD tag. ID. ID attribute helps to identify the table uniquely, and also we can give width for the table using width attribute. Let's see an example for the table creation in HTML. Within this example, this table has border as value 1 and the table title is student details, and there are three headings for the columns name, class and NIC, and also here there are two records for this table. We have to start tr tag and then we can add table headings using th tag, and after adding the name we have to close th tag. After add all headings we have to add closing tr tag. When we start new row, then we have to write another tr tag to start the row. After that, we can use td tag and add values like this. As said before, we have to close td tag when we put data. For these three headings, we have to add three data. And here there has another dataset for this table as a record. When we run this code, we can get the output as this. You can see the title of the table is student details and there are three columns name, class and NIC. When we use th tag, this text automatically centered and also these texts are bold defaultly, and also there are two records like this. Let's see another example. When we haven't added border, then the output is like this. If you want to add table without a border, we can use this code. Let's see another example for to understand call span attribute. If you want to use two columns as one column, you can use call span attribute. This attribute right within the th or td tag. Here the marks column has two columns. You can see here two columns get as a one column and it represents as marks. Like this, you can also use row span when you want to use more than one rows as a one row. Here, the qualification row has three rows. When we use row span attribute, and then you can create like this table using row span. Here you can see three rows get as a one row and it is represented as qualification. Hyperlinks. This is very important tag within the HTML code because most web pages has hyperlinks. So for that we use anchor tag and it represents as this. The anchor tag used to link from one page to another page or one location to another location or another website, or we can use another location on the same page. Within a element, the most important attribute is the href attribute because it is represent the destination of the link. By defaultly, this link appear in all web browsers as follows. If we have unseen link on the web page, it is displayed in blue color. When we click this unseen link, then it is displayed in purple color. After using a link, it is displayed red color. That means they are active link. Let's see what are the attributes which we can use in anchor tag. href attribute used to display the URL of the link, and target it is used to specify where to open the linked document. This attribute can have many values like blank self top. Text decorator. We can edit attribute of the link's text using text decorator attribute. When we use values in target, we have to know about that values. So we can use underscore blank value to open our document in a new window tab. When we use self value, the document open in the same tab. When we use top value, the document opens in the full body of the window. Likewise, there are many values which we can use within this attribute. Let's see an example. Here has a hyperlink. The file location is this and target equal to underscore blank. So this file open on new window. After run this code, we can see output as this. User display as this. Visit Google. When user click visit Google, then the file open on new window or new tab. After click the link, the display as this text are displayed in purple color. You can see like this. When you want to remove the decoration of the link, you can use text decorator. Here you have to add inline CSS within the anchor tag. Text decoration have to equal none. Then you can see we can remove the underline from the link using text decoration. Insert an image as a hyperlink. We can use this for add pictures instead of representing the characters for our links. After the anchor tag, we can add image tag for that. You know how to add image tag and how you have to handle the attribute of the image tag. We can add width, height, and here src attribute gives the path of the image. When we run this code, you can see the output like this. So here an image added to as a hyperlink. Inclusion of audio visual media in hyperlink. We can add file, images and also audio video files using hyperlink. Only we have to put correct path of the audio or video file for that. When we want to add a song or video to our web page, we can give the path for href attribute. User can see the hyperlink and when user click the link, then link connect to the song or your video. As this, you can add audio and video files using hyperlink. Embed tag. We can use embed tag for many purposes. First one is embedding a video. We can add video using embed tag. For that, we can give the path for src attribute and give width and height, and also we have to put type of the video like this. Embed in a HTML page. For that, type gives as text HTML, and also here you can give your HTML page path. Embed in an image. Like before, you can only change the type and the path of the file. And also we can use audio tag to add sound content of music or other audio recordings. The audio tag contains one or more source tags with different audio sources. Web browser will select the first source to support it. The text between opening audio tag and closing audio tags is displayed only in the web browser that do not support the audio element. There are some audio formats which are supported in HTML. They are MP3, WAV and OGG. And also, there are some attributes which we can use in audio tag. Controls, it is prescribing that the audio controller should show. As example, play button, pause button, likewise. SRC, it is use the URL of the audio file. Autoplay attribute, it is mentioned that the audio equipment will start playing as soon as it is ready to play. Muted, muted attribute prescribing that the audio output should be muted. And loop, that is gives the note that the sound resumes each time it is over. Preload, preload attribute specify how the audio file should be displayed when the page load as the author thinks. Let's see an example. When you see audio tag, you can write the code like this. If you add many source tags, then you have to write the code like this. The web browser decides the which type of audio file display within the web page. The output is like this. When user click this button, then audio file is open. Video tag. Video tag is used to embed video content in a movie or other video stream document. Video tag supports one or more source tags. The web browser will select the first source to support it. The text between opening and closing video tags displayed only in the web browser when video element is not supported within the web browser. Also, there are three formats that supports in HTML. They are MP4, WebM and OGG. There are many attributes which we can use within the video tag as the audio tag, controls, SRC autoplay, muted, loop, preload, and height and width. Height and width adjusts the height and width of the video player. Let's see an example. As the audio tag, we can use video tag at the path of the video file here. If you want to add many types of video, you can use source tag. Let's see the output of this code. We can see the output as this. So you can use embed tag or anchor tag or video audio tags to input video audio files to your web page. I have discussed about the some HTML tags within this video. I think you have clear idea about them. I hope to discuss another similar HTML tags using another video. Please be with us. Thank you for watching our videos. Stay with our YouTube channel and like, share, comment for our videos and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the watching.